The Zestron I is a real-time concentration measurement system ideal for process monitoring of cleaning systems. It is very easy to operate with a very simple touchscreen display. The sensor is very easy to integrate into cleaning systems due to its compact size. The display shows real-time concentration and actual temperature, as well as the actual status of both the concentration and the temperature. The Zestron I can offer more than 2 years of data recording, so that data can be tracked and recorded very easily. The advantages of the Zestron I are that it offers real-time measurement, it can be used for both fresh and loaded baths, it's easy to integrate into any cleaning system, and it offers continuous data storage.